Okay, in this example, we're going to show how just a simple merge without merge conflicts can happen. We have an untracked file here, which hasn't been checked in yet. If you can see here, the files that we have checked in. It's just listing like a table of contents of the files. And I changed file 2. I just changed Chewy to Chewbacca locally. But you'll notice here, General Organa, Princess Leia was changed to General Organa on the remote. So we have one change that was fetched that's ready to come down from the remote, and that was that change that was just made about 5 minutes ago. So file 2 has changed on the remote, and file 2 has changed locally, but they're two totally separate line numbers. So let me go ahead and make those changes. So let's look at the changes first. So this entire file is new. So I'm going to add that. Then this one, I just changed this line right here. So I'm going to add that. I'm going to say update Chewy and add talk. Go ahead and actually, before I do that, let's try and pull that change first. And we're going to see what Visual Studio is going to do. It's going to say that we have to clean up the working tree before checkout because it knows that we're going to overwrite file 2 if we do this. So we're not going to do that. To prevent the overwriting, it's always good to commit your changes when you know that that's what you want to do. So we're going to go ahead and commit them. Now that they're committed locally, everything in my local folder is clean. Now when I do a pull and a push, this is going to go ahead and merge them, and it merged just fine. So we see that it pulled down the General Organa from up there, but it also changed the last line to Chewbacca here because they were totally separate lines. So then we can see when we refresh the remote file 2 that it changed the last one just fine.